Welcome to this video where we're going to make a maths chatterbox. Now we're going to run a little competition for students to make their own chatterboxes and design them using topics that you're currently doing in your maths lessons. And all the information about the competition is on our Facebook page as well as LearningYou.com.au. So let's have a look at how you can make this fun little chatterbox and play the game with it. So I have a template here. The template is filled out already for us on LearningYou, as well as you can find on LearningYou.com.au a blank template. But you can see that you put the big topics in the corners, and then in the next set of triangles going in, you can put the questions or problems that they're to answer, and on the inner triangles you put the actions that they're to carry out. So the best way to make the chatterbox is to turn it over and fold each corner to the center. And we've got lines marked on the template to help the students do that. So each corner goes into the center. They're quite forgiving chatterboxes if they're younger and not doing great accurate folds, which makes them really suitable for all age groups because they determine the difficulty of their own chatterbox. So once you've folded all the corners in, you turn it over again, and once again turn each corner to the center. And again, we've got the lines marked on the template for them to do that. So now we can see all the problems or the questions that they're going to be asking each other are in the center. Now you fold the bottom to the top, make a nice sharp fold there, and you can fold across again. So now you have your chatterbox all folded, and you put your fingers, your thumb, under the corner flaps. Hopefully you're better at doing this than me. And now you've got your chatterbox. How to play the chatterbox? Well, they get a friend, ask the friend to pick one of the topics, and then they spell it out. So my friend picked plus, for instance, P-L-U-S. The friend then needs to pick one of the questions. They might pick 9, take 4, and you've got to spell out the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, count out the answer. And then they pick another problem, and you pick the flap up, and they have to do that action. So in this case, it's count back from 20, jumping on one leg. So they can make that as challenging and as physical as they like. So the winner of our competition will win Eddie Wu's book. They can download and use the template for free from LearningYou.com.au, and I hope they have a lot of fun coming up with creative chatterboxes. I'd love to see you post any that your students make on by using reply on our Facebook page. Thank you.